Hi, today we're going to show you our teamwork, an app called Let's Join Us, which focuses on facilitating connections to support health and well-being and the social aspects of university life. It is really help in stress management, mental health, and social challenges of adjusting to a new environment. First of all, let me introduce our team member and everyone's roles and contribution in complement to this work. This one is Henry.
Hi.
His work is to make the structure of the app and write a report and do some research and construct the frame of the app. This is Ben, and his work is to structuring the part of the app and editing the video. This is Samuel.
Hi.
And his work is to complete the tail in Mock app and support the team members and doing some research. My name is Lawrence, and my work is to PPT programming and idea supporting.
Hi, my name is Ben. In my part, I will display the background and the reason for why students want to use the application Let's Join Us. That's built by our team and the cover value of our application. The background of Let's Join Us is based on two parts of business environment. Firstly, market partner want to build a translation that can affect duplicating new environment for new students, and 23,819 following in ARC Facebook to join more activity, and through more activity to improve the bond awareness. In another hand, new environment students for students and 23,819 students following ARC Facebook also want to have an easy way to enjoy their habits and make some like-minded friends in USW. For the reason of why students want to use this application Let's Join Us, that's built by our team, I will display the reason as 4 parts. Firstly, high quality information can match the personal habits to others. For information quality is usable for most everyday post. Specialists often use more complex models for information quality. Secondly, through using Let's Join Us, students can search the activity that they interested in to join. The search for this that is easy to use to find the activity that most meets the requirements. Thirdly, through Let's Join Us can demonstrate the personal interest to public and reduce the boundary in communication. That is easy for the first-year students that study USW to find more friends that have same habits. Let them better integrate in USW. Finally, it could find the potential friendship based on liability person interest. Through use Let's Join Us, students can find more friends that have same habits. After 8 friends in Let's Join Us, students can join their activity. As the first time, everybody can enjoy their activities. Then never focus on the core value of our application. Core value means principles that guides an organization's internal conduct as well as its relationship with the external world. Core values are usually summarized in the mission systems or in a segment of core value. In our application, I will focus on 4 parts. Firstly, create the opportunity for access and new students to communicate and hiding out in university life. Through Let's Join Us to make more friends and enjoy more activities that's interesting to make the life in college more colorful. Secondly, enable personal label to be involved into group activities through Let's Join Us. Thirdly, collecting activities, information, and distributing into university students. All the data will be collected by data collect system through collect the information that students' activity. Our team can get the information about the habits and the lifestyle from students. Lastly, customize the activity. That's also the core value for our application. Cultivate the activity for special group also can attract more new users to try to use the application.
Hi, my name is Henry. Now I'm going to introduce the Join Us application's business canvas. So the first part is who will help you. Our business model is based on the customer-to-customer business model, and those guys will help us. The mobile operation system unsw Internet Security Apartment, and unsw Student Societies. And then we will find out how do you do it. So the key activities here are chat online, join activities, and create activities. And we need programming, data management, and update them and maintenance. So the value proposition here are users create the activities, match similar interests, and then the user will join the activities. And finally, they were making friends in our apps. So the customer relationships, we are mixed with dedicated personal assistance with co-creation. And the channels here, we are using unsw website, unsw Arc, unsw Facebook, and app store. Finally, the customer segments, our main target is on the unsw students, but however, we got potential users for the all university students. And the cost structure here, our main cost is based on the salaries, equipment, and advertisement. Since we are now profitable applications, so we got no revenue here. Next part, I'm going to evaluate the business canvas by details. The first thing is business value chain. It can achieve competitive strategy advantage for our applications. So our business value chain is based on the data collection and analyze, customer relationship management, and channels, and technology and key resources. So in the diagram here, we are discovered individuals' basic information, interests, and activities. Then we use this information to store in our central data warehouse, and then we'll deliver this information to another users to achieve the goals for our applications. So how can we achieve our value chain through business process? Since interests and activities and communications are the three important and fundamental characteristics in our applications. So we decided to use order to cache system to deliver the value. So the first thing to do is the users will intention to create activities according to individual interest. And then they will design activities. And then we will store the data in our data warehouse and check the data if it's valid. And then we'll provide this data and deliver to the users who share the similar interest. And then we will create a communication through them. Therefore, data collection and analyze is important in our applications. Since we got database which are stored with high quality information, for example, we stored name, photo, and the basic level for the individuals, and we also store the enhancement level data, which is interest, label, and activities. So using this data, we can achieve our operations management and the customer relationship management. The operation management refers to the simplify, standardize, and automate business process related to inbound and outbound logistic, product development, manufacturing, and sales and service. Here, customer relationship management refers to the unsw students who are stickiness, and we can increase their active level for the app. Yeah. The details for customer relationship management can be divided into two methods. The first one is dedicated personal assistant, which refers to the deepest type of customer relationship for a long period of time. So we are focused on the unsw students, and we are not doing for 1 year. We want our applications to be survived for a long period of time. And the next is co-creation. It refers to review and feedback for the customers, and then they will increase their stickiness and activities in our applications. Then we will achieve our operational customer relationship management. To support our applications, the technologies is important in our applications as well. So in our Join Us applications, we're using programming, data warehouse, operation system, and the users comments.
Hi, my name is Samuel. Now I will demonstrate the simulations of how this application system serves the users. Firstly, this application is designed for the students within the university. Therefore, we should use our ZID to log in. If the users forgot the password, they can click on the forgot password here, which is linked to the IDM center to change their password easily. Now we put the ZID and password into the boxes and click on the login button. If we are successfully logged in, the home page of our application will appear. The home page is showing the activities which the users may be interested in based on the user's tags. The tags can be generally considered as the hobbies identifier of users, and the users are able to tag themselves to show which activities they are interested in. At the home page, the users are able to slide to the right in order to browse the sidebar like this. The sidebar includes some functions like personal, profile, contacts, messages, and settings as well. The users can click on each of these options to enter the functional page. For example, once we click on the profile, the application will turn into the personal page, which shows the name, personalized signatures, and activities joined and tags. By the way, this page is also accessible for other users, but only can be edited for the account holders for sure. Now we back to the slides bar. This application also provides service of sending and receiving messages. The user can click on the contact to enter the contact page to send a message, or click on the message icon, which is here, to receive a message. We can also switch between the contact page and the inbox by clicking on the buttons at bottom.
Wow.
Then back into the home page, we can see that there is a large button at the middle bottom of the page. Once the user clicks on it, it will guide the user to create a new activity. For example, we are going to hold a barbecue. We can name it as Let's Barbecue and choose the tags like food and sports as well, and set the maximum number of people can join, like 50. Then pressing the next, we can choose the date here at 10th of August. Next, we will need to choose a location, for example, unsw, and add in some descriptions and images for this activity. Finally, we will see an overview of the activity information for double check. If everything is all right, click the tick here, and the activity will be enrolled into the database, and we can easily find this by using the search and sort page. For this page, we can click on the activity button at the home page, like this. If the users click on the activity poster, the detail of activity will appear and the user can choose to join it. If so, they will automatically join the group chat like this. Here, the activity participants can chat and ask other details of the activity. That's all for the demonstration of the application.
Among the using of app, there may be some challenges and risks events happen. For example, some activities may not be good for user health and well-being. Activities those contains violence, drug abuse, alcohol, and sexual invitation are not allowed to be released. There will be some managers supervise all of the activities, and it will be cancelled if they find those activities include above things or other forbidden elements. Moreover, the system will send a warning to that originator at first time and will frozen his or her account permanently if that happened again. If we find out there is an illegal activities or receives the report from the users, after verification, we will respond those students' IDs to school authority. However, if our manage is not good enough and lead to some non-standard activities causing serious consequences, we will also assume corresponding responsibility. Summary, Let's Join Us is a social software feature simple but very practical and helpful. It do provide a good platform for users to make friends and enrich their university life, and we believe this app will be very successful.